welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm your girl JEFFREE, and in today's video I will be getting my hands on and giving you a first impressions of the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette. Ooh. If you are not, go ahead and subscribe for me and hit that thumbs up button and comment below your favorite emoji. And the first 5 people that comment their favorite emoji, I will have a surprise for you. I will hit you up, I will find you, I will stalk you, and I'll let you know what your surprise is. So if you're interested on how I created this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I have already did my foundation, my base, so we are all good to go and start on the eye. I am like super excited, you guys, to dig into this palette. I'm even more excited that I got my hands on it because honestly, I didn't see it happening. It's like sold out everywhere for a long time. Before applying the eyeshadow, it does have a lot of fallout, so I'm going to go in my Sacha Buttercup Loose Banana Powder, and I'm going to apply a layer of this to catch any fallout because I don't want it to mess up the rest of my face. After we apply the powder, I'm going to pop on some of the P. Louise base in the number 2. And I like to blend this out with a nice buffing brush. You want to use like dabbing motions so that you can have a nice, even, thin base. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Morphe R40 blending brush, and I'm going to dip into root beer. And I'm going to start popping this on in the crease. Ooh, she's blending out really, really good. Wow, she's blending really, really good though. When I'm blending out my shadows, like if I'm going to be doing something really smoky and blown out, I like to hold the brush at the end so that the brush does most of the work. I'm putting very light pressure, allowing the shadow to kind of work itself out and do what it needs to do. Okay, so first of all, let me say this is blending out so beautiful and smooth. Like, look at my eyelid, it's so smooth and blended. Before I do the other eye, I can see that it has like creases in it. You want to make sure that you go back in and blend that out before you start blending on top of it, because however your base is exactly how your shadow is going to look. Moving along to the next transition color. So now I'm going to go in with Not a Fact, and I'm using my MAC 219 blending brush, packing this on below my natural crease in my eye. So I'm going to not take it up so much because I have hooded lids and I don't want it to like be too far up in the crease. So I'm packing it on like a little bit above my natural crease. I'm creating my shape, and I'm going to actually pack this on from inner corner all the way to the outer corner. Oh, this shadow is so good. Oh! Alrighty, now that I've applied that, you can go back with the first blending brush that you used because it has a very light shade, and you can blend out the edges. And it's also okay because it's going to give it an even nicer, smooth transition. If you are like really into color and you don't know how to use color, like how to play with colors and put them together, the best thing to do, you guys, is practice. Like, practice makes perfect. Really like where this is going. It's gonna look bomb. I'm gonna go in with my Rides here. I'm gonna dip into this shadow with the smudge brush. Because this shadow has fallout, make sure you tap off any excess. And I'm going to apply this right below Not a Fact. I'm basically feeling like where the ball of my eye is, and I'm just pushing it in. Go to a different blending brush. It's a clean blending brush. It's the MAC 214 brush. This is going to really smoke it out even more. And it's also going to blend it out as good as I need it to be. I'm actually going to go back into the P. Louise space and apply just a little bit more, just on the areas that we really didn't apply too much product. For lid, I'm going to go in with Illuminati, and I'm just going to start packing that color on. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, you guys, like this pigment is something I've never used before for sure. I don't even think I need a second layer. I love the formula on this shadow. It's so creamy, so blendable. Going back and blending out the edges. I kind of want to apply a little bit of Conspiracy in the inner part of my eye just to see if it could, ooh, yep, that answered my question. It's buildable, like you can put multiple colors on top of each other and still get that intensity look. I'm gonna do a really nice thick wing. All right, now I'm applying some mascara. This is my Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. I literally think I'm going on a couple of years using this mascara. Popping on my lashes from my lash line, Shady Lashes, and this is the style Janine. And by the way, you guys, we are very close to announcing the launch date for my lashes. I will have more details on my Instagram, and I will also be telling YouTube when everything will be launching. So make sure you guys are ready and have your coin together. And then I'm going to go in with another smudge brush. So this is the Clean Colors smudge brush. And I'm going to blend out Not Effect. And I'm going to smudge out my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to go with the clean blending brush, and I'm going to brush away any fallout under that shadow, and also brush away that bake, because we are finally done with the eye. Pop a little bit of Conspiracy on the inner tear duct. For lips, I'm going to line my lips with the liner that we used on the bottom lash line. So I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses Brown Sugar lipstick, and I'm going to mix it with a Collab Matte Addiction lipstick. These are both nudes, but different shades of nudes. You want to apply the darker shade on the outside. Then you want to go in with the lighter shade. Alrighty, you guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love this palette. I can definitely see a difference in like the everyday eyeshadow that I use. Like this created such a more like vibrant look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you liked the look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming to watch. I really hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.